Hello, this session we're doing the dry sump catch tank. Um, I actually started this session trying to install the different hoses on the engine, but I got quickly confused and a little bit overwhelmed, so I ended up doing this catch can while I do some more research on the hoses and lines. Um, it was, I guess, fairly straightforward, although it was a little bit puzzling because you end up, the place you install the bracket, you have to drill out a rivet, and then you also have to drill a new hole in order to install the bracket. But other than that, it was really straightforward. Just double check to make sure the bracket is, you're drilling the hole such that the bracket is the correct way up. Just double check that before you install. And that's it.